I'm quite confident with China's economic development at the moment because some of the indicators, for example, the most prominent one is definitely the GDP. We go beyond the GDP numbers. You also see some confidence going to the property market. Another indication is, of course, the consumption. Consumption increase has shown some quite encouraging signs, especially from the retail sales. I think some of the indicators, including tourism and the relaxation of some visa for certain countries, will definitely help people-to-people exchange and also tourism industry. Another encouraging aspect for China's economic prospect is definitely on the green transition. And this green transition has been happening almost overall on the national level. So this kind of like green transition is China has touched upon different type of sectors, which I thought was quite encouraging. And we definitely are very interested to apply and learn from China and apply it in Indonesia as well.